Say hi to Tina, everyone, and welcome in one of my favorite makeup tutorials. You know, when you just nail the makeup and you're like, this is it, this is it. I'm actually really proud of this look. I wanted to make something architectural. Tina has slightly hooded eyes, therefore I needed to avoid this crease. And even though I made the makeup quite architectural, quite structured, it will still look sort of natural. You see? Avoided that crease and now I can go in. And you see this so many times on Instagram, and I'll show you why it doesn't work. Pulling it inwards like this, it usually copies on the upper part. Therefore, you need to go slightly higher. You'll see me doing a bad job now, but then I corrected it later. Going up, 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 making a curved flick on the outer edge. My favorite eyeshadow palette of them all, Dior. This blue is just amazing. I'll cover what I did with blue. Just this C on the outer corner, that it will be sort of a gradient from blue into black. I could use a more precise brush here, but then I just cleaned it later because with a thick brush you can really apply a lot of color on. Also here, I cleaned it later, I didn't record this, how I cleaned it. You just take a cotton bud and then do it, nicely. Slightly take it off there, you get a better gradient there. You'll see when we finish this how it looks. Then I went over with this salmon shaped eyeshadow. Here you need to be slightly more precise, because if you drag it too much outwards, it sort of blends it together in a weird way. So that's why I was there with my face so close to the model, neutralizing the redness, because what I wanted to achieve is a natural look. Even though the makeup is that structured on the eyes, I wanted her skin to, shine. Go check this on our website, because they have a better explanation in words. You need to read as well, not just watch, because that's when you concentrate. Goran said you need to read way more. So go on our website and be focused. You see how we neutralize that redness? The skin already looks very natural, transparent. Going over with a thin coat of a BB cream, and then just blend it with what's it called? Beauty blender. You don't see me using beauty blender often. I use it usually to take the color off, a bit off there. It's not too caked up. Giving her a bit of a bronzer on the forehead, and there, if she would go on the sun, this is where she would get some color. Nice. A bit on the chin as well. I don't think you get burned on the chin, but it gives a 3D look to the face. Eyebrows, make them natural. She has such lovely plucked eyebrows. I didn't pluck them in this tutorial, we plucked them later, you'll see in the next tutorial. Therefore, I'm making just thin stripes. Going over with Radiance Reveal by Bourjois, which is an awesome, very hydrating concealer, doesn't go in creases. And now, to sort of, let's say, clean up the eyes, I use the beige in the waterline. Not such a fan of this mascara, it's also too expensive, clumpy, but we did the job. Because Tina is a model, like a professional model, which you can see obviously. She knows how to apply a lipstick well as well. And this is something new. I have a lipstick actually. This is like a gloss that I put on the cheeks. You see, a bit of a highlighter on the cheeks so that skin shines through. I just adore this makeup. Oh my god, I think I totally nailed it this time. Once again, go check it on our website with illustrations. Take care. Ciao, ciao, ciao.